Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play with the Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Dwarfs Standing on the Shoulders of Giants by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, it's sometimes interesting to find what authors has influenced our favorite writer. What if we try to find out who inherited from whom with the help of an influence graph? This puzzle teaches you to build an oriented graph and use a recursive function to go through nodes of a graph using a depth-first search algorithm. To win this game, I need to use a recursive algorithm to compute the longest chain of nodes. To build a graph of relations, I use graph data structure. I've talked about it earlier in this video. Let's dive into the code. Read an influencer relationship's number and set the initial data. Find is a function detecting an influencer for a given person. Build a relationship graph. Now, for each person, calculate all the relations. Print the results and test code. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at network cabling. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.